When paper jams occur at the media trays, you may need to replace the feed rollers. Remove tray 1 to access the feed roller. Pull the release tab and rotate the roller to remove it. To install the new roller, position the posts into the holes. While pressing the release tab, rotate the roller into place. To access both rollers in the printer, remove the bypass tray. Release the tab and slide the first roller off of the shaft. Use the same process to remove the second roller. When installing the replacement rollers, slide them on to the feed roller shaft. Align the notches to ensure each roller snaps into place. After installing both rollers, install the bypass and media trays.